COVID-19 First Alert forecast. Certified most accurate since 2004.
If you have travel plans on Monday, that's immediately what I thought of.
Yeah.
Because besides the government shutdown and all the delays that they're seeing with that, we've got weather issues that's going to be a problem here.
We'll be having some snow, and that snow likely to impact Hopkins, not just in the snow belt zones. Yes, they'll get the highest amounts, but really anywhere across Northeast Ohio is fair game for snow starting Sunday night. So here's the next few days, our next big things. Today we're seeing rain and even some thunder. Yes, there's been some lightning and thunder out there with some of these gusty showers and storms moving through. All this will be done by sunset at the latest. Most of us done in the next couple of hours or so. It's a blustery day. This weekend, pretty dry. Tomorrow, maybe a stray couple of showers. But Saturday night and Sunday, we'll have some rain moving in. Sunday looks to be a pretty damp day. And then Sunday night and Monday, that's when the rain changes over to snow as we get blustery and cold. And those lake effect snow showers will continue into Tuesday. But we have designated Monday as a 19 First Alert weather day. This is where we have confidence enough to say this is going to be the high impact day. And so here's what's happening. Sunday night and a Monday morning, rain changes to snow. There's the potential during this time frame for squalls or bursts of snow that would reduce visibility, accumulate quickly, and could have a significant impact on the Monday morning commute. So keep that in mind. Now, Monday afternoon, off and on, snow showers will continue. Will be blustery and cold. And then from Monday night into Tuesday, snow continues mainly in the snow belts, but really every snow belt's fair game here. Not just our primary, but our secondary and even the tertiary down towards Richland, Ashland counties. We could get a connection with Lake Michigan as well. So that's what we're looking at as we start next week. For right now, though, it's just rain. It's been bursts of heavier rain at times. One round moving through, now another round behind it. Lightning strikes, still a couple of them in southern Tuscarawas. Not as much lightning up here, but bursts of heavy rain moving through Richland County up to downtown Cleveland. But we're done with the rain now in Sandusky, Norwalk. We're starting to dry out here, and that'll be the trend eastward over the next few hours. So looking good for high school football playoff games this evening. Not too cold. We'll be in the 40s and 50s. Still a bit breezy out there, a west wind. Tomorrow we're pretty dry, a couple light showers out there. Then as we head from Sunday, we've got the rain changing over to snow, likely to start on a north wind Sunday night before it transitions to more of that northwest wind. So early call for snow. I'm going to take you through late Monday. We're likely to get a little bit more than that as we head into Tuesday, but especially in the primary and secondary snow belts, our highest totals that could really add up to several inches. But even look at that tertiary snow belt, a couple inches possible down in some of those southern areas as well. We'll fine-tune this as we get closer, of course, but First Alert 7 days shows that brief cold snap Monday and Tuesday, followed by at least a bit of a moderation as we head into next weekend.